The company has a professional team of animal husbandry experts, and technical team and installation team has a wealth of experience in planning, design, production, construction, maintenance, has developed into a domestic breeding automation equipment and farms supporting the whole field of the elite backbone of the provider. The company is based on modern animal husbandry. Pay attention to the animal growth environment. Focus on product development and technological progress. Strengthen the fine management with excellent product quality and satisfactory after-sales service in the field of animal husbandry automation equipment has established its own position, has a strong competitiveness of enterprises. The company undertakes the business of manufacturing breeding equipment for large, medium, and small pig farms at home and abroad. Among them, large-scale intelligent pig farm equipment, such as domestic pastureland, is built for our company. If you need to establish a modern pig farm, please contact us for 0075670068. With deep insight into the farming industry and endless enthusiasm, we are proud to present to you Intelligent Pig Equipment, a revolution that overturns the tradition and leads the future of farming. Intelligent feeding, precise nutrition. Say goodbye to traditional sloppy feeding. Our intelligent feeding system, through AI algorithms and high-precision sensors, accurately identifies the growth stage and nutritional needs of pigs and realizes personalized, timed, and rationed feeding. Each mouthful of feed is precisely placed to synchronize nutrition and growth and maximize cost-effectiveness. Environment optimization for healthy growth. Intelligent environment control system monitors the temperature, humidity, and air quality 24 hours a day, automatically adjusting to the optimal growth environment. Intelligent operation of the cleaning system keeps the pig house dry and hygienic, effectively inhibits the breeding of germs, and creates a healthy and comfortable growth paradise for pigs. Intelligent monitoring and health warning. Integrated high-definition camera and biometric technology, real-time monitoring of pig activities and health indicators. Once abnormalities are detected, an early warning is sent immediately, allowing breeders to respond quickly to ensure that the pigs are healthy and worry-free. Labor management, safe and efficient. Intelligent management systems specially designed for sow delivery, accurately predicts the delivery time, automatically adjusts the environmental parameters, and provides a comfortable delivery environment. The whole birthing process is monitored to ensure the safety of mother and child and improve the birthing success rate. Data analysis and scientific decision-making. Intelligent pig raising platform integrates big data analysis capability, collects and analyzes multidimensional data such as pig growth, feed consumption, health status, etc., providing scientific basis for breeding decisions. Whether it is cost control, production planning, or disease prevention, it can realize accurate management and improve overall operational efficiency. Customized service, full accompaniment. Whether you are a large farm or a family farm, we provide customized intelligent pig farming solutions, from equipment selection, installation, and commissioning to the maintenance of the whole process, to ensure that your farming road is smooth and unimpeded. Choosing intelligent pig raising equipment is choosing the road of modern farming, which is efficient, healthy, and green. If you need to establish a modern pig farm, we manufacture pig rearing equipment with absolutely affordable price, quality assurance, and perfect after-sales service guarantee. Please contact us immediately for 0075670068. Translated with dpel.com, free version.